Hi guys, hope you are doing well and you are watching our Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can deploy n8n AI platform on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine, and you can create unlimited AI agent and you can sell them and you can make a lot of money. So in this video we will see that how we can deploy the n8n AI agent platform, which is the most updated and latest platform, and you can deploy over the Windows machine 10 or 11. It is very user friendly and you can create your own project. So let's start. So in order to install the n8n on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine, we need Node.js. So first of all, you have to go onto the Chrome, type nodejs.org, then hit enter. You will get a website. You have to go inside the download, then scroll down it, then download the installer, Windows installer. Click on that, download unverified file, and once it is downloaded you have to double click on it. It is pretty much simple and pretty much straight. Just you have to click next, accept license, next, 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 and next, install. All the packages of Node.js will be installed inside your computer, Windows 10 and Windows 11 machine. It is pretty much simple and pretty much straightforward. Within the 5 to 10 minutes you can deploy your own n8n software or platform so that you can create your own AI agent, and it is absolutely crazy. So Node.js is being installed. Wait for a second. Once it is done, finish it. Then you have to open command line, cmd, run as administrator. Then you have to check node version in order to make sure that your node is properly installed. So dash version. So Node.js ready. Now we have to type npm install n8n space -g. -g is mandatory because it will install globally, means if it is installed in one PC you can access n8n from the another PC. If you don't use the G, means if you will not install as a global, you can access only on your computer. But if you use the G, you can access from entire network, means on your local network. So we have to hit enter. So sorry, I got an important call. I did the mistake, and we have the command like npm and then hit enter. So it will take little time, and maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and so when it is installed, and then we can open our n8n platform. So it is being installed right now. You can see that it is working. So it will take around maybe 10 to 15 minutes, because entire n8n platform is being downloaded and it is totally self-hosted, absolutely free. All features will be available. So I'm going to stop this video for the 10 to 15 minutes. When it is done, I will resume the video, otherwise video will get longer. So Node.js n8n platform has been installed successfully, and you can see that some of the packages are depreciated, but no need to worry about that. Ignore these warning and the depreciated word, because n8n there is a lot of dependencies or over which the n8n is work. So some of the dependencies are old, some of the are new, so it's not a big deal. So there is no harm absolutely. So your n8n, ignore them, and your n8n is ready to use. You can deploy your first AI agent. So in order to run the n8n, you have to type simple n8n n8n and hit enter. Wait for a second. So n8n is now ready to use. You can see that the URL and the port number is 5678. Let's access. My IP is 192.168.10.67 column, and the port, let me check out the port again. 5678 5678 5678. Click onto the local host, because you are onto the local system, so you have to type localhost instead of the IP. But if you want to access from the other system, you can simply type the n8n server IP and then host name. So when you are if you are going to install on your local computer, and you want to access through the same computer on which n8n is installed, so you have to access through the local host. Now you have to give it your email address. And you have to select your password. Give me a second. And then you have to give the password. If you want to receive updates, then it is okay. If you want to check mark it, you can check mark it, otherwise no need it. Next. Now you have to give answer of simple questions. What is the best describe your company? Let's say I'm assuming that education. Which best role is describing you? Let's say I'm saying IT. And who will your automations mainly for? Let's say myself. And how big your company is? Let's say I'm saying that less than 20. And the last question is, and let's say you can give the Google and get started. After that, it will give you some notification regarding the advanced debugging and workflows, but you can skip that, no need to worry about that. So your n8n platform is ready to use, and you can deploy your first agent over the n8n, and simply you can build as much as agent you want, and it is pretty much simple. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want that should I create one agent, a simple agent for you, so leave the question in the comment section, or leave in the comment section. I will create a simple agent for you over the n8n, so that you can understand that how the n8n is working. So in this video we learned that how we can deploy the n8n over the local computer, over the even Windows machine, and it is pretty much simple. Now the game is open, platform is open, you can work as much as possible, you can earn the money, you can create your own agent. Sky is the limit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.